Okay, things are getting better on how we want to do things. It's a little bit of fine tuning. Uh, so, like the repetition stuff, whenever we have something where you add in repetitions, do not go back to 60. You need to do the repetitions closer to where you maxed out. Um, One question is, why do you feel those speeds you reached were your absolute maximum? Like there's no way you could go any faster. Was it the time limit thing? Or did you lack the confidence to go on any further? Because I know you can definitely strum faster. So like when we're doing these things, like of course if you played it right, then you're doing the right thing of not going any faster because you want to feel confident like, yep, I nailed it, that was totally correct, and then you move on. Um, so if you got, you know, any doubt that if you did it right, you are doing the correct thing by not going any faster. But if you're like, yep, that was right, move faster because you want to go faster and faster and faster and faster. That's how we get the most out of these things. So with number one from last time, I want to focus on some of the more weird rhythms. So there's no repeats on this one. It's just get as fast as you can, and that's that. So after about 15 minutes, get one more good take, and then that's it for the day. If you max out in less time, of course, I have repetition stuff on here. I need to get rid of that. I didn't clean this up for the new thing. Here, let's delete that now. All right, there we go. Now it's more appropriate for this specific thing. Yeah, so after like 15 minutes, whatever speed you get, that's it. Call it a day. If you max out in less than 15 minutes, that's fine too. So because you remember, you got to get to a point where like, yep, this is a struggle. Like, and it takes you like a minute or two of really, really trying to get it, and then you get it, and then you're done. Um, so yeah, the different rhythms at the end of number one from last time. So we're going to play basically 3 times the same rhythm, same bar, or not same bar, the same rhythm each bar, and then change to that rhythm, change to that rhythm, and so on. All right, so let's demo this. So again, what I'm showing here is just some different speeds, so you have a point of reference. You still keep going up into fives, and use this video to make sure that you're playing it right. Use Guitar Pro to help yourself out, make sure you're playing it right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Number 2. So the eighth note strumming was not too bad. It's some of the slow speeds, timing was a little shaky, like there's some rushing and whatnot. So I want to have you work on just this rhythm, try and get the timing more solid, and you'll have something easier to work up. So this way you have a better chance of going much faster than the previous 2 videos. So we got the repeat signs in here, okay? So yeah, you're gonna work this up, no repetitions. After 15 minutes goes by, whatever speed you reach, so let's say you get all the way to 165. 15 minutes is up. Okay, you're going to try and do all 4 repetitions at 165. You don't go down to 60 and start building that up. We never build up repetitions if we're doing something like this. If I want you to play something with a repeat and building up with a repeat, I'll tell you that at the beginning of the video, or I'll have it up on the guitar profile. Most likely it'll be both. I'll tell you in the video and in the file. So you're going to work this up, no repeats. After 15 minutes goes by, whatever speed you reached, that's the speed you're going to do the repetitions at. Now, if you can't get all 4 repetitions at whatever speed you reach, so let's say, again, maybe you got to 165, and you can't get all 4 repetitions, it's just too much, that's okay. Drop it 10 and try again. That's my thing on these ideas. So give it like 3 solid attempts. If you can't get it all get it done, drop it 10, try again. And then just keep doing that until you get all 4 repetitions. Now, let's say you max out in less than 15 minutes. So let's say you get to 200 beats per minute in like 12 minutes. And then it took, like 1 or 2 minutes of really trying, and you finally got it. You're like, there's no way I'm going to do it any faster than this. Okay, in that case, drop it 10 or 20 beats per minute at that point, and then try and do the repetitions there. So let's say, again, you max out at 200, drop it to 190. If that still feels like too much, drop it to 180, try the 4 repetitions there. And again, if you can't get all 4 repetitions after 3 solid attempts, drop it 10, try again. Okay, so don't go down to 60 to work up repetitions. Work it up without the repeat, and then your repetitions need to be close to what your max was. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. And how I just counted it, that's how you want to count it too. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. All right, if you got any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you again in your new videos.